Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change display name on Zoom application. So let's get started. First open Zoom application, then click on the top left corner, then click on my profile, then in the first option you can see display name. Click on here. Now in the bottom you will see display name. Click on here and change according to your needs. After typing your display name, click on save in the top right corner. Now as you can see, my display name has been successfully changed. So guys, if you think this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.